Welcome to SmartSpark, where artificial intelligence meets accessibility and excitement. At SmartSpark, our mission is to unlock the complexities of AI for learners and enthusiasts like you. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned tech enthusiast, there's always something new to explore in the AI world, and we're here to help you along the way. Imagine a world where machines understand human language, create stunning visuals, make precise predictions, and open new doors across industries. That's the world of AI, and it's growing faster than ever. On this channel, we'll break down AI fundamentals, take deep dives into models like GPT, BERT, and DALL-E, and share practical skills for engaging with these tools effectively. We'll cover the latest trends, top AI applications, and the powerful potential of AI in the future. Ready to embark on your AI journey with SmartSpark? Hit subscribe, like, and the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's spark some inspiration together. Welcome to the SmartSpark community.